Hey everybody. So this is the cpx-1 9mm by Sccy with a $15 grip tape from Amazon, rubber textured grip. Is it worth it? Does it fit good? My opinion, it's absolutely worth it. It doesn't feel rubbery at all, to be honest with you. The adhesive on the back of this is very strong. It comes already cut out just like this for you, and it pretty much fits your Sccy 9mm very, very well. It already had a decent sized grip on it, but this makes it even better. Again, it doesn't feel like it's a rubber texture grip like it said, but for $15, they give you everything you need for it. You clean that grip with alcohol pads that they provide to you, and then you put the textured grip on there, and then you take a hot blow dry to it, to let that adhesive get into the gun real good. But after putting it on 3 days ago, it's absolutely worth the $15, guys. You won't be disappointed. It's very, very, very strong adhesive. There's no signs of peeling. Even if I try to peel it myself, there's no sign of any piece trying to come up. It's on there very, very good, very tight, and I think it's a very good product, guys. Again, it's $15 on Amazon. You can search up cpx-1 2 3 9mm or whatever it is you have for the grip tape, and this is it. And again, it's very worth it. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe for more gun reviews. I hope everybody has a good weekend. Thanks for watching.